In this video, I'll show you how you can cancel a subscription on PayPal. So for this, all you need to do is sign into your PayPal account, then click on settings, and you'll end up on this page where you can see account, security, and then payments. Now, first of all, you want to click on payments right there. They will then send you over to, let's see, this tab where right away you'll see automatic payments. So easily manage the payments you make automatically with PayPal, including subscriptions. So that's exactly what we're looking for. So right there, manage your automatic payments. You want to click on view, which will then send you over to all of your automatic payments. Now, all you need to do next basically is find the one that you want to cancel. So I only have a few. I have IPVanish, TubeBuddy, and Sony. So click on the one that you want to cancel. Maybe that's going to be TubeBuddy, and then right there you'll find cancel. So that's exactly how you can do that. It's quite easy, and I hope this video helps you out. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Let me know in the comments down below if this helps you out. If not, let me know what you were looking for, and I'll try to help you out. And then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.